If you're trying to decide between Genspark AI and ImagineArt, here's a quick comparison to help you choose the right AI art generator. Let's start with Genspark AI. Genspark is designed for users who want more than just image generation. It combines AI-powered creation with research and productivity features. You can generate images, create visual content, and use its AI tools for brainstorming and content creation, all in one platform. Pros: all-in-one AI workspace, great for creators, marketers, and professionals. Useful if you need both AI images and AI productivity tools. Cons: image generation isn't its primary focus. Fewer art-specific customization options compared to dedicated AI art platforms. Now let's talk about ImagineArt. ImagineArt is built specifically for AI image generation. It offers a wide range of artistic styles, high-quality outputs, character creation, anime, realistic portraits, concept art, and powerful customization features. Pros: designed specifically for AI art, more styles and creative controls. Better choice for artists, designers, and social media creators. Cons: focused mainly on image generation, doesn't offer the broader productivity features that Genspark provides. So, which one should you choose? Choose Genspark AI if you want an all-in-one AI platform, you create content beyond images, productivity and AI assistance are just as important as art generation. Choose ImagineArt if your main goal is creating high-quality AI artwork, you want more artistic styles and customization, you focus on digital art, illustrations, or creative projects. Final verdict: there's no single winner, it depends on your needs. If you're looking for a complete AI workspace with image generation included, Genspark is a solid choice. But if your priority is producing stunning AI generated artwork with greater creative control, ImagineArt is the better option. So, which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more AI tool comparisons.